Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to buy a book on Kindle with the help of your phone. So let's start. Okay, first you select the book that you want to buy on Kindle. Then click buy. Now you will see few options of payment. But one thing, after the updation, Amazon Pay is not going to work in the Kindle. You cannot buy a book using Amazon Pay. So now what to do? Scroll down. There are other options for the payment. If you are in India, you can use UPI, but if you are watching this living in another country, you can use net banking, or if your device is compatible with credit card, ATM or debit card, you can use that option as well. So people living in India, they can use Amazon Pay UPI or enter another UPI ID. So I will go for enter another UPI ID. Click on that. Now type in your UPI ID. After entering your UPI ID, you have to click verify and it will show here verified. Click on place your order. Now take your phone and open that UPI app through which you have to pay, and you have to select that app whose UPI ID you have entered in Kindle for the payment. Now I will open my UPI app. The moment you open, you will see a pop-up for the payment. Click pay now, enter your UPI PIN, and now the payment has been made. Now open your Kindle, click on library. Here you can see the book is purchased and it is showing in your library. Click on this and now you can read your book peacefully. So this is how you purchase a book on Kindle using your phone. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of query related to this video, do comment down below, and thank you for watching.